Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats on VIVO X300 Pro. Alright, to do it we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here in the main page, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Find Chats, scroll down all the way and click on Chat Backup. Now let's begin with Google account. Simply tap on that, and in here currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account, in the cloud of it, our backup will be saved and stored. So if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want, you can click on Add Account and sign in into another Google account. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case, as you can see, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient feature. If you want, you can select the mode from that list. Let's also include the videos in our backup. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It is not necessary to turn it on, but it's like an extra security feature. If you'll turn it on, you will be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future in the moment when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chat. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget that password. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to create a backup. It's like an extra security feature. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. If you don't have enough, you can simply tap on that, then log into your Google account, and you'll have to delete something from your Google one, which is the cloud. Okay, and now to create a backup, hit this green button. The process has now started. Okay, and now everything went successfully. As you take a look on the last backup, we can see the hour is the same, so that means that everything went properly and successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.